I will show you the sunset. See the sunset, how it looks. It looks good, huh? Sunlight filter, without sunlight filter, no more filter.
बात तो सही है.
3 filters. How they are playing. This building is one of the tallest building of our city. The tallest building of our city is this. Seriously, like nature helps you at your every emotion of your life. For example, if you are too sad, you are not getting anything, just go and sit in the environment and see the magic. How to say thank you, I will show you how to say thank you. Okay. It's like no. अब धीरे धीरे छत्रपति संभाजी नगर भी पुणे जैसे, मुंबई जैसे लगने लगा, क्योंकि कंस्ट्रक्शंस बहुत चल रहे हैं. यहाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, उसके साइड में भी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, यहाँ पर भी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. यहाँ पर भी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. एवरीवेयर यू कैन सी कंस्ट्रक्शंस. देयर इज़ अ नो प्लेस or to play or to do workout, running and all. No place, everything is full of houses and all. Here is also construction, only constructions and constructions. Okay, so are you able to see this tekkdi? So I will tell you the history of this tekkdi. The history of this tekkdi was कि मैंने वहाँ पर रैपलिंग की थी.
Oh my God!
This is the history of this tekkdi.